This next part is something that we've actually been making for a long time as a portion of our insulated round support option. So we have our standard round support, which is a box like this, but we also have an insulated round support that includes an insulation wrap for the chimney, and it also includes an insulated fire stop that basically seals to the vapor barrier at the ceiling. So this insulation wrap has always been part of the round support only. And we recently did some retesting and certification, and we now have approval to use this wrap inside either support. So it can be used in a standard round support or inside a square support. So if you're doing a cathedral ceiling and you want to have an insulation wrap, this goes basically around the first length of the chimney right at the support line. So this is going to be on the chimney directly above the flue extension as it sits in the bottom of the box. And this can be retrofit into any existing support that you have or any standard square or round support that you've got in stock. This is going to be a separate SKU, so if you've got a customer who wants to be able to add a little bit of extra insulation at the ceiling, they can go ahead and do that.